Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about changing your sender email in Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update the address your customers see on order confirmations, shipping updates, and all those automated store emails. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference for your brand's professionalism and customer trust. So let's jump right in. First things first. Go ahead and open up your Shopify admin page. This is your main dashboard, where you manage everything from products to orders. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials. You want to be on the home screen where you can see your store name in the corner and all the usual navigation options. Now, look toward the lower left-hand corner of your admin page. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes people overlook the settings menu because it's tucked away at the bottom, but this really is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens, from payment options to checkout settings, and yes, notifications. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice a list of different categories. What you want to do next is click on Notifications. This section manages all the messages Shopify sends out on your behalf, things like order confirmations, shipping details, and customer updates. Changing your sender email here ensures everyone gets messages from the right address, which is especially important if you've rebranded or just want a more professional touch. Now, in the notifications window, take a look around. You should see a field labeled Sender Email. This is the address customers see when they get emails from your store. If you've never changed it before, it might still be set to your default Shopify address or whichever email you used when signing up. Updating this is super straightforward. Simply click into the field and type in your new email address. Make sure it's an address you have access to, ideally one you check often, or that's linked to your domain, like info@yourshop.com. This builds credibility. Plus, if a customer replies, their message won't get lost. Once you've typed in your new email, take a moment to double-check it for typos. A tiny mistake here could mean missed messages down the line. When everything looks good, you'll notice a Save option appears up at the top of the screen. Don't rush past this part. Click Save only when you're certain the new email is correct. It's a good habit to pause and review, just to avoid any errors. Now, here's a really important step a lot of people miss. You need to verify the email address you just entered. Basically, Shopify wants to make sure you actually own the address and have permission to send mail from it. Check your inbox for a new verification message from Shopify. Sometimes this hits your spam folder, so if you don't see it immediately, give it a minute or two and check there. Once it arrives, open the email and follow the link to confirm. It'll usually just take a click or two and you're all set. And that's really all there is to it. You've now updated your sender email in Shopify, so all your store notifications will come from the address you chose. If you ever want to change it again down the road, just repeat these steps. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you still have questions, maybe about email deliverability, using custom domains, or anything else, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy, actionable Shopify tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.